hear me out. I've been noticing that the way that I use Adobe Illustrator is a little bit different than some other people. You see, some people use Adobe Illustrator and they forget that it's also a powerful mathematical tool, and there's a lot to talk about. Check this out. In this example, I have a square that is 1600 by 1200. I multiply this by 2. It's gonna multiply, by 2 the width of the object. And if I multiply the height by 2, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna make it twice as big. But I can also take this and sit by percentages and decrease the size. I just select it and I put 50%, and it's gonna reduce it to the size that it was in the width. And I can use 50% here in the height. It's gonna make it 50% smaller. It's gonna make it exactly the size that it's supposed to be. You can play with percentages, multiplications, and you can also divide it. For example, in the case that I wanna do the height and divide it by 4, I can just divide this by 4 and also divide this by 4, and I can just use it right there at the corner, and it's gonna give me something that is 4 times smaller than what it was at the beginning. But now it's your turn. Try this in your designs, and I promise you, you're gonna save a lot of time. And that's why I think you should